Right, so first task is to clean up my garage again. I seem to remember doing this a couple of years ago, last time I put the project on hold. So, going to go in here today. It's not going to be a very interesting video. I'm sure you don't want to sit there watching me clean up my garage. Once I've got a bit more room in there, then I need to figure out what to do next and start getting some bits. I've just ordered the Defender workshop manual as well. I've wanted that for quite some time, so I got that ordered. That should come today or tomorrow, and then I'll start looking at what I'm going to do next. I don't know why, but every time I seem to start these projects off again, it's winter. I seem to be, whenever summer comes, I stop working on it. Maybe it's because of all the barbecues and the drinking, although we won't be doing much drinking at the moment with all the pubs shut. Right, that's it. I'm going to go out now, clean the garage out, and then maybe start making a list of the things I need to do next, and the first sort of load of bits that I need to buy. Right, so I spent the whole day cleaning up my garage, and I managed to find my chassis. The good news is there's no damage to the paintwork whatsoever, even though it's been sitting here for God knows how long. I've been very careful when I've been putting stuff on top of it, and obviously it's dry in here as well. So now I've got to think what I'm going to do next. The problem is, when I started this project and you start stripping things down, you remember where bits go, don't you? And you remember where you put things. Because it's been so long now, I've got stuff everywhere. And I can't even remember what my next job was. So, if anyone's got any ideas what to do next, I'm going to go away and have a bit of a think about it. I've got a few more bits that I need to take the rust off and paint. The problem we've got now is with lockdown, I probably can't sand any bits off to have them powder coated or anything, so I'll see. So if anyone's got any ideas what I should do next, I'm going to order some more paint, because like I say, I've got a few things to paint anyway, and have a think what to do. Be nice to start building this thing up again, but I guess it's time to start buying bits. I think it's going to cost a lot. Right, I'm off. I'm going to go and have a think about what to do next.